Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing a hot air balloon. I'm using an iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outline, and markers and crayons for coloring in. Now I've already gone and created two layers, the outline layer and the color layer. The outline layer is where we're going to be using our black marker for outline, and the color layer is where we're going to be coloring. If you're using a white sheet of paper, you can go and grab a black marker. So what we're going to do first is enable our grid. So go to the settings, canvas, drawing guide. And if you're using a piece of paper, you don't need this. It's perfectly fine not to have it. So I'm in my outline layer. I got my brush already, and we're going to draw a circle. Now, if you're on an iPad and you want a perfect circle, what we're going to do first is draw the circle. Don't let go of your Apple Pencil. And then use your other finger and just tap anywhere on the screen, and it makes a perfect circle. And now we could draw the basket. So we want to pick the center of the balloon, which will be the center of the basket. Just put a tiny little dot there. And the reason I have the grid is because I want it to be even. So I'm going to select 4 squares from the dot and then 4 squares from the dot this way. And then we can go down this way. Do a little half circle like that. All right, there is your basket. And then now we could draw the strings that hold them together. So let's put a string in the center. And then one in the corner. And then this way. And then in the middle of that. And then we can add maybe a basket weave design onto the basket. All right, and then now we can decorate the balloon. So here is my center. And then let's just put a top circle right here. And then we can color that in. And I'm really only drawing this just to hide all this mess. And then we can also add some trim. And then we can also do the same thing at the top. All right, let's take off the grid. So let's go back in our settings, uncheck the drawing guide. So let's go into our color layer. I've already got my palette all picked out. It's kind of a vintage purple. And we could start coloring. I'm going to alternate the colors. Okay, so now I'm going to pick a different color. I'm going to pick a gold. I'm just going to do the alternates. Okay, so what should we pick for the other colors? Let's pick a lighter purple. Let's try a different purple for below. I'm gonna pick an even lighter purple. Let's see how that looks. All right. Now I'm gonna pick a darker shade of this gold color. All right, guys, what should we paint the middle? I think I'm gonna pick a dark purple. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that looks good. So let's color away. Almost looks like a black, but it's not. We can alternate again. And then I'm going to select just a tad bit lighter. All right, guys, let's do the basket. I'm gonna pick that gold color again, and then I'm gonna alternate. And then let's alternate that with a slightly darker color. And guys, we're almost done. Right. Now I'm gonna do something even more fun. I'm gonna add some gold glitter. And I know that you probably can't do that if you're using a piece of paper, but you can watch and it looks really cool. So I'm gonna go into my glitter brush. Just select a slightly darker gold. See how that looks. That looks pretty cool. Where should I put it? I think I'll put some over here. That kind of adds a little bit of dimension. It's very fun to play around with. Anyways guys, there is your hot air balloon. Hope you enjoyed this video.